Most developers are using AI to write a lot of code from scratch, but they're missing out on one of the biggest benefits of using LLMs, which is that LLMs are really good at integrating existing libraries, and as the size of your code base increases, the performance of LLMs decrease. So it's important to keep your code base small. I have a script here that gives a file to Claude and then answers a question based on the file's content. And I want to turn this into an interactive CLI tool where each time I could provide a unique file and a unique question. I prompted my AI editor to turn this into an interactive CLI tool, and it worked, but the code that it output is very low level. We're using readline. There's probably about 70 new lines of code here. I just reset the changes, and this time I'm asking it to use Inquirer to build the same exact thing. And when I run it, you'll see that we have autocomplete, we have better font, better colors. And the code that the LLM actually wrote is only about 15 lines long. In general, to get the best output from Vibecoding, you want to minimize the size of your code base. It is proven that as the size of the context increases, the performance of the LLMs decreases. So delegating to these existing libraries will help your code base become smaller, cleaner, and limit the amount of bugs and defects that you'll encounter. This also works for a lot of other coding tasks such as logging, LLM calls, and front-end components. If you like these tips, I share them all the time, so make sure to hit follow.